Imagine cities transforming almost overnight, buzzing with new factories and people flocking in for work. What hidden costs did this rapid change bring to the very fabric of urban life, fundamentally reshaping how people lived and interacted? During the Industrial Revolution, rapidly growing cities faced immense infrastructure challenges, primarily concerning sanitation, overcrowded housing, inadequate transportation, and severe public health crises. These issues profoundly impacted the lives of millions. The core reason for these widespread problems was the unprecedented speed and scale of urbanization, coupled with a lack of foresight and planning. Factories drew vast populations from rural areas, but cities simply were not equipped to handle such an influx. Local governments, often underfunded and ill-prepared, struggled to keep pace with the demand for basic services. There was little to no regulation concerning housing construction, waste disposal, or clean water provision. Property owners prioritized quick profits, building cheap, densely packed tenements without proper ventilation, light, or plumbing. Furthermore, the prevailing scientific understanding of disease was limited, with many still adhering to the miasma theory, which attributed illness to bad air rather than contaminated water or poor hygiene. This combination of rapid growth, insufficient governance, and primitive public health knowledge created a perfect storm of infrastructure failure. Responding to these critical issues, cities gradually began to implement solutions, though often slowly and reluctantly. Initial efforts focused on constructing basic sewer systems, improving water supplies through municipal projects, and establishing early forms of public health boards. Early urban planners like Edwin Chadwick in Britain advocated for systematic reforms, emphasizing the link between sanitation and disease. Over time, these challenges led to the development of modern city planning and public works departments, aiming for more organized and healthier urban environments. Building codes and regulations for housing also emerged, attempting to mitigate the worst aspects of overcrowding. Consider the sheer scale of the problem where, in some areas, open sewers ran directly into rivers that also served as sources for drinking water, or how the lack of proper housing led to entire families living in single rooms. Pioneering reforms like the Great Stink of 1858 in London, which highlighted the urgent need for a proper sewage system, spurred significant action. Engineers like Joseph Bazalgette designed comprehensive underground networks, recognizing that only large-scale, integrated solutions could address the crisis effectively. Ultimately, the infrastructure challenges of industrial cities served as a harsh but effective teacher, demonstrating the vital necessity of robust public services and thoughtful urban planning. The lessons learned through widespread suffering and reform laid the groundwork for the modern, resilient cities we inhabit today, proving that infrastructure is not merely convenience but the very foundation of public health and societal well-being.